Hey now everybody, let's make some heart-healthy mayonnaise in my kitchen pharmacy. Start with adding 2 eggs, the juice of half a lemon or a lime, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a dash of salt, and turn the blender on low for at least 30 seconds. Then you can slowly drizzle 1 cup avocado oil into the blender, and when you're done, that's it. You have mayonnaise. It only takes 2 minutes, literally. The best part of making my own mayonnaise from scratch, though, is that I can select the ingredients to nourish my endocannabinoid system. Since our bodies use omega-3 to synthesize endocannabinoids like anandamide, I use avocado oil, farm fresh eggs, and mustard. Like all other systems in our bodies, the cardiovascular system is regulated by the ECS, and endocannabinoids are made on demand whenever the ECS calls for them. This means that our bodies need the ingredients to make endocannabinoids on site at all times. The thing is, we have to eat omega-3s because our bodies don't make them. While processed foods are lacking in nutrients, homemade foods from scratch don't have to be. As long as we select ingredients that were farmed with intention and healthy soils, they will contain the nourishment we need. Avocado oil and organically fed free-range eggs and mustard are all good sources of omega-3s. All of these ingredients separately are good sources, and blended together on a sandwich, it's not only delicious, but healthy to boot. Who knew that taking 2 minutes to whip up some mayonnaise could be a source of nourishment for the ECS and our cardiovascular system? You and I do. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.